channel. This is Daodu and Esther here again. My name is Esther. If you're just here for the first time, my name is Esther, and this is.
Stop again. I was acting.
Say your name, D.
My name is Daodu.
Okay, yeah, guys, welcome back to our channel. So, you guys, today we're just going to be taking you guys out with us. I want to go take some pictures. I'm not seeing myself. Am I that short?
Yes, you are.
Okay, let me stand. I'm standing on the chair. Okay, I'm standing on the chair. I like this height this way. Okay, guys, so today we want to go to the park to take some pictures. If you guys have not noticed, like, we live in the countryside of Japan, and you might have actually seen it from our vlogs. We don't live in like the city where you get all the skyscrapers, but we have like beautiful nature around us. And yeah, there's this mountain view I've just been eyeing since, to just take pictures and have like this snow mountain at my back as my backdrop, as the background. So today finally I'm going to try to see if I can achieve the pictures I really want to take. Can you leave your bed? It's distracting me.
Why your beard is distracting you?
I don't know. So I'm just going to go and see if I can get the kind of pictures that I want. I want to take you guys along to see the beautiful view. Like, it's so breathtaking. I just love it. So you guys, let's go have fun and enjoy this vlog.
Spend 24 hours and more hours with you. You spend the weekend getting even, ooh. We spend the late nights making things right between.
Yeah.
Hi guys, so we're at the park now. But you know what, guys? I wanted to come here in the morning, like, babe, give them the gist.
Actually, what she wanted was, she wanted to come in the morning like 8, 9.
8 o'clock,
yeah,
actually.
8, because of she's shy, so that she doesn't want to meet people here, so she wants to just come and just do the picture thing sharp, so that people will not look at her changing clothes, taking pictures and everything. So I was like, really? So that's why you even intended on us coming by 8?
I said,
not me and you. I want to
let's
sleep.
wake up very early,
I want
so that
to
I can
sleep.
come and do it. So that nobody see, now people are here, baby. I'll not be changing clothes. I don't know now.
Now you know now.
Are you serious, babe?
Okay, guys. Later. We'll see you guys later. Bye.
Hello guys, so we're at the park. What are you doing? Just acting like on camera. Camera girl. People are plenty here. It's like, it's just one outfit I'm going to use. Afterwards, I'm done. I am done. After this one, I'm done. It looks like this. I'm just kidding though. I don't know yet. So what do you guys think about my outfit? The waist is looking big. Just falling off.
Dance with me under the diamonds. See me like breath in the cold. Sleep with me here in the silence. Come kiss me silver and gold. You say that I won't lose you, but you can't predict the future. So just hold on like you will never let go. Yeah, if you ever move on without me, I need to make make sure you know that
You are the only one I'll ever love. Yeah, you. If it's not you, it's not anyone. Looking back on my life, you're the only.
Shout out to Twinkle. I saw your video of how you take pictures outside. This shit is so difficult. Like, how do you do it? I'm even in the park and I'm still feeling shy. Check out somebody's channel. Her name is Twinkle. She takes pictures like outside, like when I mean outside.
I don't know why you're shy. You tell me whether they're owing you salary.
I don't know. I think you're just dancing. Anyway, I don't know if I'll change my second outfit. I'm thinking of dinner. The views has been so cool. Baby, you did a really great job.
Of course, it's my job.
Take. Okay.
A few moments later.
Only good I've ever done. Yeah, you. If it's not you, it's not anyone. Not anyone. Forever's not enough time to love you the way that I want. 'Cause every morning I find you. I feel the day that I don't. You say that I won't lose you, but you can't predict the future. 'Cause certain things are out of our control. Yeah, if you ever move on without me, I need to make sure you know that you are the only one I'll ever love. If it's not you, it's not anyone. Looking back on my life, you're the only girl I've ever done. Yeah, you. If it's not you, it's not anyone. You are the only one I'll ever love. I gotta tell you.
Oh, you guys, we are done taking pictures. This was.
I enjoyed myself.
You enjoyed yourself.
I very much enjoyed myself.
I enjoyed myself too, but jeez. Like going, changing, and coming back. I'm like, it wasn't easy. It wasn't as easy as I thought it was. Like, just go and change and just come back and take pictures.
It's never easy now.
Yeah. I was thinking it's just something chilling to just do, and just changing in the car is not so easy as well.
No, it's not comfy.
Yeah, it's not very comfortable. But yeah, I did it. I changed twice and just going to go and edit the pictures and see how it turned out. I'm glad I got the view I wanted. So nice. And thanks to my perfect photographer doing his thing. Jeez, babe.
Just don't worry, I'll keep my Instagram page, my business page there for my photography.
What's the name of your this thing? Ola Photos. Sorry.
Kola Wale Photos. Ajoke Photos. Is there?
Yeah, so yeah. I don't know where we're going from here. Going to eat, right?
Maybe
home or going to eat. Whichever one, if we can, we'll take you guys along. Bye.
In the stars tonight, so watch me bring the fire and set the night light. Shoes on, get up in the moon, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. King Kong, kick the drum, rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump up to the top, LeBron. Ding dong, call me on my phone, nice tea and a game of.
Take off my investment. You're looking for my trouble. You're looking for it. Hi guys, so we got into the restaurant. I can't shout much. Yeah, so we're just going to have dinner here. This is dinner or what? Babe, this is dinner or what?
Brunch.
Yeah?
Brunch. This is Luna. Lunch and dinner. Luna.
It's a lie. After this one, nothing again. We're not eating again. That's all. Why are you whining your eyes like that? That's all. No more food. So yeah, we're just going to eat here and just go home and chill. Let me go and edit my pictures, guys. Let me go and edit my pictures. Pictures excite me a lot. But you're not done picking what we need. Huh? Just add one more for pick out. This is my second outfit I changed into. And you guys, I couldn't even remove the inner one. I just wore this one on top of it. I just wore this one on top of it. Yeah. See how he's just speaking through that he's writing an exam. Just be fast, do what you're doing. And let's go. See seriousness. I like it now, right? I don't really like this. I don't. I'm waiting for the rain meal to come. That's what I'm waiting for. Food is here. Let me just go ahead and eat now. Where's the fuck? You guys, I'm so full, like super full. Hi guys, look at this guy. All the bowl I didn't eat well. It's like eating it properly on its own, like dismantling it. He said I don't know how to eat bowl well. You guys, let me show them how you're dismantling the bone. See. It's just taking them from here and taking them over there to eat them properly. And this is his round 2. I won't stay here with you to do all this. That's enough. Let's go.
Yeah, let's put inside like now.
You're high. Let's go.
It's just like the calcium that is inside. The calcium inside the bone that gives me a stronger bone. Bone. It's your bone.
Foodie. Oh, so you guys, I think we're going to call it a night here. Dee just went to get popcorn for us that we're going to use to watch movies tonight. So we like getting popcorn some Saturdays and Fridays or Saturdays. Whenever I want to watch like long seasonal movie, I want to stay up late to just get popcorn, because me, once the movie just starts like this, like I always want to watch, like I'll have this I want to watch, and before you know it, take out the seatbelt, and before you know it, guys, I will just be feeling sleepy and I'm off. But that popcorn, it helps me, you know, stay awake. It helps me stay awake. So usually we just try to buy. It's been a long day, guys. Taking pictures and everything. I'm going to show you guys how I edited the picture. You guys, please follow us on Instagram. Follow my Instagram _Miss Esther. I'll write it down below. Please follow our Instagram as well, Daodu and Esther, to catch up on all our pictures and videos. Follow us on TikTok, please, guys. Yeah, so basically I'm just waiting for him to come with the popcorn. I didn't feel like going out, like this max thing that you have to put on max at every single time. Sometimes it can just be very tiring, because now it's just tiring for me. And most times when I wear max and I'm wearing my earring, this one, you guys, it's very difficult. Like you put it on, sometimes when you're taking off the max, it just hangs on it and it can be very painful. I had to even take this one off because it had a stop somewhere. I was trying to take off my mask when I was like done with the place. It almost injured me. I take out the earring. So yeah, it's coming. It's blue. Look at him. Yeah, babe, you bought 2. I said 1, oh, so that he doesn't listen. Babe. Okay, you're coming in. You bought two, D. I said buy one.
They said they don't sell one.
They said they don't sell one. That's not true.
They said if you want to buy, since we are two, don't you ever buy one.
They said what?
They said don't buy one. That's why I came late now. I was arguing with the lady. Like, no. My babe said one. They said no. That's not, since we are two, we have to buy two.
Maybe you're a damn liar. I said let's buy one due to sugar, so that we don't keep eating two. Let's buy one. We share one and it will be okay. This is big size of
Why
popcorn.
don't you want to believe me now? I said I tried now. They were arguing with me.
How did they know we are two? How did they know we are two? You see that you're lying until you confess what you've done.
Why are you eating it already?
I want to see if it's okay.
Yeah, Cinderella story.
Hi guys, so we're finally home. It's been a long day. We just went out for a while. I was thinking we're just going to spend just go to the park, take some pictures and come back like immediately, but you guys go back a little bit late now. What's the time? Oh, it's almost 6 o'clock. Went out like 2 or 3 o'clock and now it's 5 minutes to 6. Okay guys, hope you guys enjoyed our video today. We hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and yeah, if you are new, please subscribe to our channel, like our videos, share our videos. Please guys, watch our videos. Please help us share our videos. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching today's video, and yeah, we see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.